Welcome to another learning video from Wash Rat Academy. The life of a professional power washer is an exciting and adventurous experience, but it's also one fraught with danger and compromising circumstances. That's why you gotta be prepared to take care of any situation when you're out in the field. The best way to do that is to know karate. Another way to be able to take care of any situation is to make sure you have a professional power wash repair kit with you at all times. You don't want to be stuck out in the wilds working on a job and get caught halfway through not being able to fix your machinery. That'd be humiliating and bad for business. That's why today, me and my cousin brother Clem, we're gonna show you everything you need for your out in the field professional pressure wash repair kit. The first thing you need in your pressure washer repair kit is duct tape, cause that will hold anything together. You got a split hose? Duct tape it. You got a loose unloader? Duct tape it. Can't hold your beer while you're power washing? Duct tape it. Another super important piece of equipment you gotta have in your on-the-job repair kit, a hammer. Cause sometimes you gotta knock the hell out of stuff to make it work. When push comes to shove, one of the best things you can have in your repair kit is a bucket. You can carry all kinds of things in it. You can fill it with drinks and ice. But if your machine breaks down, that bucket's gonna see you through. A key component to any good pressure washer repair kit is a siphon hose. I can't tell you how many times me and cousin brother Clem been out on a job and the pressure washer runs out of fuel. Well, why waste all that time running to a gas station when you can just borrow some from your neighbor? Get out of here! Don't be a wash rat. Learn the right way to take care of your gear in your business from the pros at Powerwash.com and Powerwash University.